Look, I'm gonna shave my head. Let's go. Aren't you ready?
Can we rest?
Rest? We've been resting all day. Are you gonna come shave my head? You said you wanted to. Have some cake. Why?
My cake.
Alright.
Mom, you don't want to be named.
Alright, so we have 4 minutes until my next class, so we gotta get started. Gotta get started. Go faster, go faster, go faster. Love, help, 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 help.
You didn't even take your shirt
Love,
off.
it's okay, it's okay. We gotta do it quick. We only have 4 minutes.
You are the worst. Give me
Love,
that.
we have 4 minutes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Look at my beard though.
So I have to have a bunch of freaking fuzz in it.
Doesn't my beard look good? My mustache.
Fuzzy, just get that.
Let's go, let's go. Good, good, good.
Love that on my nice vacuum cleaner. Perfect.
How's it coming? Is it good? Good, okay.
Why didn't you take this off?
Yeah, I know, but we only have, what time is it? Oh, we have 3 minutes. You getting that?
Oh, wow. Oh, you're bleeding.
I am? Alright guys, I'm bleeding. Do this more careful next time. Oh, look at that picture. That's my wife. Keep going, keep going. She's getting the back.
This is gonna get everywhere.
She's excited about it, guys. She said she wanted to. I'm sure right now is exactly when you were speaking of, right?
Ew.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, a little rat on my head.
Oh.
Let's go, let's
that was
go.
bad.
Look at my beard though.
To your head. Alright.
See, the beard is what I like.
Look down.
That's what I'm worried about. Alright, go, go, go.
We should just start giving you a little mohawk.
Let's do it. My eyebrows. Want to shave up my eyebrow?
Move your head this way.
Okay, okay, okay. Faster, love, faster. What time is it? Okay, I only have 1 minute left. Don't mess with my beard. That would be
Covered in hair. You're gonna
that would be a
late.
mistake. I'm not gonna be late. Don't mess with the beard. Okay, let me do that part. Let me do that part.
The back. Let me finish the back.
The mustache.
Your neck. And I can't even reach it with this collar.
Look at this dude. Look at the top of my head. Look at the top of his head. Well, love, do you not understand?
You're too high. Get down.
Still bleeding though.
Get down.
Is that my fault?
Why are you putting it hard? You
Top of
absolutely-
his head. Oh no.
This is not good.
Faster, faster. Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Are you gonna help me with my
I
hair or what?
already did.
Yeah, well, we're ready to go again.
Get over there.
Are you ready?
You're dragging hair.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh.
No.
It honestly feels good. For those of you questioning whether or not
Catch.
you want to...
Right here.
Wait, where? Oh. For those of you questioning whether or not you want to shave your head, just... See? Now you're going to want to. I will let you guys know that I have never bled doing this before. I didn't do it so fast. Hair started falling out when I was about 3.5.
What?
So that's what made me want to cut my hair. You know those posts where it's like, my 3-year-old walked in and said, Mom, my hair is falling out and I don't look, let's see, what could I say? That wouldn't sound like a kid would say it. What could I say? Something
I
that's
look
like,
unkept.
Mother. Hey, walk with Mom. Mother, I look unkept. Alright guys, the back.
You're everywhere.
You're welcome.
I need to get this. There's a huge patch right here.
Yes, it's right over my scar. That's a good story. I was launched off the side of a blow-up pool and smashed my head and I got staples in the back. Go. So I have a scar in the back of my head. We will survive. How's it going?
Poor little head. Foliation.
Yo, he needs some milk. Moisture.
Look at my hair.
Looks good. We're doing her hair next, guys. I didn't want to take a shower, so we're just vacuuming it up. Yep. Oh, loud! go, go.
No.
Go, go, go.
No. Look at those cheeks.
Right, exactly. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. That's super cool.
Do what? This is my wife's very cute beauty room. Stuffed animals. Right?
Those are tweezers. Do not. Was to do to do like a sun ray effect,
Like that.
but they don't stay on this.
We'll wrap the entire thing. And the feeling of these is kind of like, woo! I like that. Could work, but I'm holding it. Woo!
But alright, let's look at the inspiration photos.
I get that thing where I like touch and it's like nails on a chalkboard if it's like really fuzzy. This isn't that bad, but like cotton, my dad's like that too. What?
Or short around the bottom and then something up here. I think it must look best this way.
Must look best.
Will look best. Okay, no.
Whoa, the couple ones off.
Not necessary at all.
But we're having at it.
Unraveling yarn.
Yep. She did it.
Alright, so let's just...
I have faith in you, love. Let's just snip the end. So that's not straight, you know? Like, see how theirs is like...
rough it up a little.
So like if we just like, let me have at this thing.
Oh no. Oh, no.
I'm actually a hairstylist, guys, by trade. And we might not.
Wow, are you
Whoa,
insane?
sorry. This is like I do on the bottom when I'm giving people haircuts at the salon. Really precise, so you have to kind of get that pull and then get that little bit of angle. That's what you do, love. That's what I do in the salon, you know.
No, don't do it like that. Do it upside down. I mean, do it right way down.
Oh, this is a lot.
Ugh, it's every
Don't
time.
reach in while I'm snipping.
Better you cut my fingers than my eyes.
Oh, wow.
Alright, just forget that.
But it looks good.
Forget it. Floof it that way.
Okay, guys, we're gonna floof it. Only a little bit got in the drink.
Who cares?
I mean, that's fine.
So, how much shorter?
Slightly shorter.
Ow!
Whoa. It keeps sneaking up. Doesn't need to be perfectly even, though. So do one in between. Ooh, nice.
Alright, so...
And we're gonna snip it.
No, so
Oh.
little ones. Here, see your very little ones.
Oh, one more? Okay.
Alright.
So do you like it facing this way when you do it?
We need to... Alright.
Oh. This one's looking pretty fast.
Fast.
So now we're giving it the old snip.
Careful. Do me.
My problem is I never feel like you can all, you know? But that's an important part of art. Knowing when to stop, you know?
Oh, you didn't at all finish that sentence, so...
Well, I'm saying, like...
My problem is you know? So no, I don't know because you didn't tell me. Okay, hold it under this part.
Okay. Whoa. Pretty cool. Uh-huh. I'm gonna do it 2 knots. Taut. What? Taut? What?
No, you don't say taut when you're doing a knot. Taut is straight.
Incorrect. Now because that's there, we could hang stuff. We could do straight lines. Oh, what we got here, love?
Alright, so we braided this. Or try and like find a way to have it on here.
Let's do a bunch of individual ones.
I think I want them to be separated. And I want this to be like the accent. Oh no. Alright.
Not as cute as you.
So then I'm gonna this boy does need to be tucked under. Let's try. We're just gonna lay that flat and try just tying it around with the knot in the back. And then if that looks good, I can just trim these extra guys off. I just left it to be like a little tassel.
It's like a tail.
Yes, so I might.
Nice.
I don't know if because this one's little, we should have these longer, so it kind of looks like it's.
We'll have to look.
Similar.
That'll be composition.
A little fluff showing, but these are gonna be around it, so I think you won't notice.
Alright. So we're close. Your hair always looks cute. Even when it's not done. Look, she hasn't had a haircut in like how long? And look how cute it still looks. I always tell her that. Look at that. Her hair looks great. People are gonna be like, oh, look at her hair. Alright. Oh, you can't cut them?
No.
Oh, that's one. Alright. Alright, what do we think? Just the way it already is, yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we should just trim a couple of them and leave it kind of.
Alright, so we've decided on these slightly larger nails. Oh, gotta get that. Gotta get my beauty guru on.
Well, stop moving.
Can you see it? Is it cute? This will float just a little bit off the wall, but maybe about that much. But isn't that cool?
That's the plan.
That's the plan. It'll hang off just a little bit.
Okay, so.
I think this. I think that.
I think maybe a little higher, maybe where the top touches the bottom of that gray one.
Yeah, I think I liked it where it was.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And this one's slightly lower. Alright, so let's see if our hanging off the wall. Oh. It's pretty cute. What do you
It's
think?
pretty adorable. Yeah.
I mean, if this was
something similar with this.
if this was all the way back, I mean, we can just look how that looks just small and no shadow now. It doesn't take up much room, and the minute you take it out, it makes it pop. Slide this bad boy out. Look at that. And there's the second one, the last one. So they're just slightly off the wall because the nails are just not pushed all the way in. And since they have that cross bar, it works. Yeah, you like it?
Yep.
Good. What do you like about it?
Now it looks complete.
Looks more
We
full.
can still add some stuff. Or
Yeah,
who knows what.
that is cool.
But it just brings it together.
Yeah, them
So
hanging
there's not
off.
just one little guy.
Yeah, them
there.
hanging off is definitely cool.